Today we're doing a ProtectionPro privacy install on our iPhone 14 Pro Max. Our privacy film is slightly different from any of our other films. It's going to be 3-layered. This first layer is our branded cap sheet. This you'll remove prior to cutting. Underneath that layer, you've got your privacy film, and on the back, your release liner and the QR code. After you've removed the cap sheet and cut the film, it should look like this. You'll start your installation by spraying a little bit of gel on your fingertips. Make sure you don't leave any fingerprints on the film. You'll peel the film lay it flat in your hand. Spray a little bit of gel on the film. The privacy film does curl slightly, but the gel helps keep it flat. You'll flip your film over, line it up to your desired placement. Make sure you avoid any camera sensors. It'll be slightly wrinkled now, and you'll spray just a little bit of gel on top. Maybe 2 or 3 sprays. And now, with your Pro Install squeegee, 4 fingers underneath and 1 thumb on top, you'll start towards the back edge of the phone, swipe away from you, start slightly before that, and then run the length of the device. You can do multiple passes if you needed to get rid of any extra bubbles. And now, all that's left is to dry off the phone. Now, we have a perfect install.